Hi traders and investors. In this video, I'm going to explain SIP orders or systematic investment plan orders, how to place a SIP order and what are the benefits and how can you use them actually in your favor. Most of the educated people are aware of the power of compounding. It can actually do wonders. In Dhan, SIP orders allows an investors to invest a fixed amount of money at user-defined intervals in the selected financial instrument. To place a SIP order, we have three methods to do it in Dhan web trading platform. Method 1 is from the watch list. You select any instrument, it will open up the information of that particular stock on the right side of panel. From here, you can place a SIP order of that stock. Second method is you can also place from the smart investment panel. Third method is from the SIP panel of order tab in the main menu bar. Here you need to search your desired script. Click on start new SIP order. Search the desired script in universal search box, for example ITC. Just remember that you can place a SIP order for investing in the equity segment and exchange traded funds segment only, not any other. To place a SIP order, just select any script from your watch list and it will open up an information dashboard. On the right side of the window where you can find an option called Start SIP, just click on that one. As you can see, the order window has opened up and in this pop-up, you can see the name of that particular script with the LTP. Here you can type the quantity and price will be market price only as this is a SIP order. As you can see, when we are typing in the quantity box, the quantity of SIP details also changing, and you can also inject a particular amount in this stock. For example, I want to invest every month 5,000 rupees in this stock, so type 5,000 rupees. What it will do is, based on the LTP of that stock, it will buy the stocks according to your injected capital. We can place the orders for daily, weekly, monthly SIPs. One of the brilliant way to invest. Here you can select your preferred date of the month or day of the week, or daily SIPs will accordingly get triggered on all trading days. No need to worry about holidays or weekends. This job will be done. Every day your SIP orders will get triggered at 10 AM in the morning. We believe the market is extremely volatile during the opening hours at 9:15 AM. So 10 AM is the best time to send orders to exchange. This timing follows the same principle of AMO order. For information, I made the perfect video about the AMO orders with the execution examples. You can find the link in the description below. Just make sure that you have funds loaded in your Dhan trading account. Key in your desired quantity and select your favorable SIP type. Click on set SIP and it will be saved for your lifetime or until you cancel or edit that order. As you can see in my orders tab, SIP order panel, I placed some SIP orders for better understanding. In this order panel, you will find all your SIP orders in one place. This panel gives the details of name of that script, order type as monthly, weekly, daily SIPs, always delivery only, and quantity, approximately order value, and LTP. And the last one is status. If you want to buy any stock from your SIP order window, you can directly buy from here also. If you want, you can cancel and you can see the order details from here. If you want to modify, you can do that too by clicking on a SIP order. What we have done differently is, if you want to execute this order while markets are open, you can just click on the place delivery order. What it will do is it will open up a pop-up of investment market order of that stock with pre-filled quantity. But if you want, you can place a limit order also, trigger order also. We have just given the facility so that you can use this order in your favor. Just place a SIP order buy. It will give promising returns for investors, as compounding is the key to making money in the stock market. Thank you. Have a nice day.